everyone, I'm Nicole from The Successful English Learner by Sydney English Teacher, and I'd like to say a big welcome to my YouTube channel and to lesson number 12 in my series of how to pronounce difficult English words, or better yet, words that are difficult to pronounce in the English language. Thank you for joining me. I really hope that you have enjoyed the previous videos. If you haven't watched them yet, please go back and watch them now or after you've watched this video. If you like the way I teach and you like my learning content, please click on the subscribe button so that you never miss out on any new videos that I add to my YouTube channel. And why not share this video with your family and friends if you think that they would benefit from learning a little bit more about pronunciation as well. I'm more than happy and very, very happy actually for you to share this with them. So thank you in advance for that. Let's have a look. The first word that I'd like to pronounce with you today is my home country, the country I love the most in the whole world, and that is Australia. Many people find this really difficult to pronounce, and I don't blame you. You know, there's lots of sounds and letters there that don't even exist when we pronounce it properly. Many people say Australia. Sounds beautiful and we understand what you mean, but that's not the way that we pronounce it. The correct pronunciation is Australia. 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 That's how the Australians pronounce it, okay? We really, erase some of those syllables and just make 3 syllables there. Australia. However, other people pronounce it, as you can see down here, other people pronounce it as Australia. 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 So whether you say us or os, they're both correct. Whether you include the l sound or don't include the l sound, they're both correct. So you could say Australia, Australia, or Australia, Australia. Well done! Congratulations! Come down to Australia and visit us. Now that you pronounce it correctly, the passport is ready. The visa is ready. Let's have a look. The next word I've got is cupboard. It's definitely not a cupboard, even though that's the way it's written. Instead, we say cupboard. 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 Perfect. Cupboard. So much easier, isn't it? Cupboard. Well done. The next word I've chosen is priority. Priority. And the way to pronounce this is priority. 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 Your turn. Well done. Priority. Perfect. Very, very good. And the next word we have is swallow. Swallow. So we have swallow. Low. Swallow. 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 Perfect. Well done. Say it one more time. Swallow. Well done. Amazing. This one is one that everybody finds hard. Why do we spell it this way if we don't pronounce it this way? We definitely do not say February. No. We say February. February. Can you say that? Well done. You might also hear the alternative February. February. So whether you decide to say February or February, they're both correct. Whatever's easier for you, February or February. But definitely not February. February? February. You choose. Well done. They both sound really good. Well done. Very, very, very good. So there you go. We have finished lesson number 12 and our 5 fabulous words for today. I hope you really enjoyed learning them and pronouncing them. Please go back and practice. And if you have any questions, please ask. Come back again for the next pronunciation video, which I'll upload really, really soon. Have a wonderful day, everyone. And please join me by subscribing. Don't forget. Bye.